I would say 3D modeling of buildings, safety and society.
For Technology 2020, I'm touring the country with the technology demo bus looking for interesting innovations. We are currently on our way to Enschede, where we will visit 2 projects at Twente University. Meet Cheyenne. So you've been working on a project to map the inside of buildings. Maybe you can tell us something about that.
My project was part of a bigger project that was designed for mapping inside the buildings for disaster management. With new technologies, we can scan the buildings very quick. My PhD was using this data to create 3D models of buildings, because these are really big data, a lot of geometry and images. The goal was to create computer algorithms, smart algorithms to make 3D maps of these models. Then, for example, firefighters can use these maps in case of a calamity inside the buildings.
So you scan the building, then you get some form of data, and then what exactly did you do with that?
We are using a technology that is called LiDAR. So LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging. So it sends light to the objects, and when it comes back, it can measure the distance. The data that we get from LiDAR scanner are called point cloud. So you can imagine a building with all the objects inside it is just with points, is represented by points.
It's like you make a drawing by just putting dots on the paper, right?
Million of points. Yeah. And these are big data, and for computer it's just numbers. So what I did, I made computer algorithms to make sense out of this data. For example, we detect the permanent structure in the building, we separate it from dynamic objects like people, from furniture, and then we can make a 3D model. We use it for evacuation of buildings, navigation inside the buildings, etc.
All right, so to conclude, if you have to summarize your research in 3 words, what would those be?
I would say 3D modeling of buildings, safety and society.
So there you have it. Technology creates interesting connections. On to the next one.